Good morning, my dears. Today we are going to discuss about Padmasana. Padmasana is a simple meditational pose. It is also known as Lotus Pose. It calms the brain and increases awareness and attentiveness. By watching this video, you will learn the steps and benefits of Padmasana. Padmasana is a meditative pose. Sit on a flat surface on the ground with your spine erect. Gently bend the right knee and use your hands to place it on your left thigh. Do the same with the other legs. Now that both your legs are crossed and your feet are comfortably placed, model your hands into a chin mudra and place it in position. Hold this pose taking 10 to 25 deep breaths. Release and repeat the pose with the other legs on the top. This asana relaxes the mind and calms the brain. It activates the spine, pelvis, abdomen and the bladder. The knees and ankles get a good stretch. Return slowly to the starting position and relax before finishing. My dears, you have to do Padmasana thrice and send me a snap.